Hey, Coach Craig here at Spell Training, and today I have some gentle cardio exercises for fat burning. We're gonna be targeting our full body. We're gonna burn some fat, we're gonna have some fun. All you need is a flat surface. This is all gonna be completely standing. So grab some water, grab a friend, and let's get started. Alrighty, we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these exercises while you follow along, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them, less talking on my part, more doing on yours. Without further ado, let's get started with our first fat burning, gentle cardio exercise. We are gonna be hitting it off with some marches, so stand up nice and tall. We got 30 seconds on the clock, and let's get marching. We're just gonna focus on lifting one knee at a time, just like this. Make sure your back is flat, core is braced. Now we're not trying to go into a full sprint or run, but just keep it right here, gentle and relaxed. Maybe use your arms, sway with it as well. Now we're not trying to do high knees, so you don't have to get it to 90 degrees, but just something like this. Just gets the blood moving. Makes you feel good. All right, a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along. We have some step jacks. Now, normally jumping jacks, you're doing all this stuff, but maybe your joints are a little tired and you wanna take it easy, then do not fear. Step jacks are here. We are just going to be stepping out to the side, bring it back, just like this. So 30 seconds, and let's step jack. Boom. Bring your arms completely overhead. This also becomes helps stretch your upper body, and then keep a nice tempo or rhythm going. I also like to have my knees slightly bent as I am stepping out. Just helps me keep a strong foundation, keeps my center of mass under me. And you're gonna start breathing heavy because these are gonna get tiring after a little bit, but it's gonna be fun. This is cardio, baby. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along, we have step reaches, very similar to what we just did. We're going to be stepping out to the side, same leg, and then same arm reaches over, comes right back, just like this. It's like a step out, side bend mixture. It's gonna be fun. You're gonna be feeling it. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So step out, bam. Really reach over to the side, try to keep it coming from your obliques. Keep a nice tempo. I like to keep my arms up so I don't have to come over the side. So boom, really reach. Make sure you're breathing. Again, slight bend in the knees. Because if you're just walking out like this, you're not gonna be doing as much work. So really flat back, core tight, bam, and reach over. Step out with that toe. Bam. 3, 2, 1, and done. Last but not least, we have low impact skaters. Now, a normal ice skater, you'll be basically essentially hopping from foot to foot. So you'll be here and then bam, hopping over, and you're doing these wide things like this, but we're just gonna keep it low impact. So you don't even have to leave the ground. You're just gonna be here, get nice stable base, and all we're doing is reaching behind, bam, tapping, bringing our foot down, planting, right over, just like this. Almost becomes like an alternated curtsy lunge, but more gentle on your body while still getting your heart rate up and fat burning at full speed. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's do it. So reach over, bam. If you want to use your arms, you can. You know, look at me, I'm skating. I'm doing it. So just reach through. And then if this is too easy for you, you feel like you can step it up a bit, then just hop. Just keep small hops. You don't have to go crazy with it. Helps also work out your balance. Just like that. But again, we can just stay right here. We don't need anything other than this. Just make sure your core is tight through all of these. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. There you have it. Those are your 4 exercises. Grab some water, because I am. And we're gonna get started with our next 2 sets. So here we go, second set. Let's have some fun, starting right now. Marches in 3, 2, 1, go. Step jacks in 3, 2, 1, go. Step reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Low impact skaters, 3, 2, 1, go. Water break time. Marches in 3, 2, 1, go. Step jacks in 3, 2, 1, go. Step reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Low impact skaters, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. That was your gentle cardio exercises for fat burning. I am tired, but maybe you want to go another round. Feel free to rewind it, do a couple more sets. But there you have it. Like, you should be burning fat throughout the rest of the day now after doing this workout. Also, if you like these type of exercises, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new ones dropping from me, Coach Mayer, Coach Gabby. We also love to hear from you, so please leave comments. Let us know what you want, what you don't want, what you want more of, what you want less of. Either way, we just want to hear from you. So I'm Coach Greg. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.